All right, well, you're probably going to see, my hand, my headset is magnetic. Listening to a podcast this weekend, and I'm hiking some shelves out here. We're going to have us a little fire and throwing them on the burn pit. Fortunately, I think it's burn weather. It's freaking cold enough and, wet enough. So I will bring you back. We maybe show some images here, but sorry, no Jeep content. The window seal was what I had planned for this weekend, and it's still lost in mail, people's whatevers. So I have embarked on a project, which I am not a remodeling type dude, but I have a 1978 house with the original cabinetry, and my wife and I, since we live in the woods, kind of thought it would be cool to put in some alternative to cabinets shelving. And I have engaged a local, via Facebook Marketplace, a local woodworker to take some salvage timber and make these shelves with the brackets and all that stuff. However, I had to tear my cabinets off the wall. Of course, there's 20 years of paint, and then I had to paint match it. And so we're kind of mid-progress right now. So let's see how we go. I'll take you inside here in a minute. I hesitate to show the interior of my home, because you can guess from the exterior, which you've seen on any number of occasions, it's pretty old and dilapidated. I live in like the Weasley house. Think of it in Harry Potter terms. It is not a show place. It's pretty functional. So I will bring you back when we're back inside, because frankly I want to get all these shelves out here. Maybe shoot some fire, record some fire stuff. So we'll see you soon. Yep, those are some old cabinets. It's particle board. I don't know what to tell you. There's no good way to dispose of it. Well, I mean, other than a landfill. So we're burning it in the rainforest. Just be aware, this carbon's going to travel about 20 feet and be absorbed by the local trees. Well, that's my hope. So anyway, enjoy. So, as you can see, the fire is a roaring success after about a gallon of waste oil and maybe some leaf blowing action. I'm just out here listening to my podcast in the Pacific Northwest, getting rid of some old cabinets. I could have put them on Facebook Marketplace, but that's like a whole thing. Or, I don't know, Craigslist or something, but I don't want to deal with it. So we're just reducing them back to their carbon whatevers. So anyway, we'll get inside the house here in a minute. I did some, that aerosol spray texture stuff. So we'll be checking on that in a little bit. Windows are open, pellet stove's cranked up. So let's see what we got. Well, welcome back. I think this is going to do it. I appreciate you for hanging out this afternoon. I threw a couple more branches, but our cabinets are gone. Maybe I'll post this. It's, like I said, kind of a lost weekend because I am not a construction dude. So I hope you like the break from the normal automotive type content. This is just me trying to remodel my 1970s house that I've lived in for like 20 something years, so whatever. But yep, tore out the 1970s cabinets. They're now ash, and I did some of that aerosol, what have you. I don't know, it's aerosol spackle texture stuff. Waiting on that to dry. Probably do some painting this week, and hopefully next weekend we'll get some shelves put in. Maybe I'll throw a clip in our normally scheduled program. It worked out pretty well because I was going to do the windshield this week, but the windshield for the CJ5, that is. Anyway, Amazon let me down, or Amazon through a third party something. Anyway, I don't have the seal for the windshield. I have the windshield frame, so that may be next week's adventure. That was supposed to be this week's adventure. It all works out. So again, I appreciate you joining me for my little bonfire and my demo project. Maybe I'll throw some images in here. And I don't know. I hope you have a good week and everything works out well for you. Not always the case for me, but I hope it is for you. I can't even get my tripod to work. So that is... Oh my gosh.